bafatanije na Rock Entertainment kugira ngo amajwi n'amashusho by'ubwenge bikugereho. Katurure kwinginze fasha ati mwoherereze bamarayika b'umucyo. Ndagira ngo mve amagambo dutangire nyuma avuga haruvuga ati ndakwinginze mwoherereze bamarayika b'umucyo ndetse umurinde uwo mwijima. Ni amagambo dutangiranye hari uri kuyavuga umurinde izo mbaraga z'umwijima. Hangirira mva amagambo dutangiye nayizanye ya dore amaraso ku modoka yuzuye amaraso.
This is a city of sinners.
Ati uyu mujyi dutangiriyemo ni umujyi w'abanyabyaha. Niyo magambo dutangiye batubwira umujyi turimo ni umujyi w'abanyabyaha.
And far worse, where the damned and the forsaken walk the streets.
Ati ni umujyi w'abo ngabo batanye, abo bataye inzira, mbega babandi bicibwa bivume, aho usanga aribo bigendera ku muhanda gusa.
The angels, they left a long time ago.
Abamarayika bavuye muri uyu mujyi kera.
For the Lord has prepared his people for a great slaughter.
Ati Imana yateguye abantu bayo kubera ibagwa rizaba cyangwa se icwa ry'abantu benshi rizaba.
And he has chosen their executioners.
Ndetse Imana irangije itamo n'abo bazayicira. Ndagira ngo mva amagambo dutangiranye nge ntacyo ndikongeraho cyangwa nkureho. Imana yateguye umunsi abantu benshi bazapfira ndetse itegura n'abazayicira n'abazica abo bantu nyine mu yandi magambo.
There are those whose teeth are swords.
Ati abahari abahari muri uyu mujyi bafite amenyo ameze nk'inkota. Ndagira ngo mva amagambo ngo hari abatuye muri uyu mujyi amenyo yabo ngo ameze nk'inkota.
Whose fangs are knives.
Nanone inzara zabo zikaba nk'ibyuma bino bihata cyangwa se bino byica abantu. Inzara zabo
put here to devour the weak from off the earth.
Ati nanone abagabo b'abanyantege nke bazaba icyo kurya cyangwa ngabo bafite intege nyinshi.
Their blood will be poured out into the dust.
Ndetse abanyantege nke amaraso yabazivanga n'umucanga
will lay
anameneke
on the ground.
Bajye bisanga baryamye mu mihanda abo banyantege nke. Dutangiye.
Satan disguised himself as an angel of light. Though light survives and the battle between good and evil persists, angel or demon, all will appear before the judgment seat of God.
Gusa nanone ngo muri uyu mujyi intambara ikibi n'ikiza ni intambara ikomeje kugenda ijya mbere ngo ariko nanone b'abamarayika cyangwa b'amadayimoni ngo bose bagomba kuzagaragara imbere y'Imana ku munsi w'urubanza.
Yet blessed are the merciful, for they shall receive mercy, so that all may receive what is due.
Gusa nanone abazemera ibyaha cyangwa se bagasaba imbabazi rero bazakira imbabazi
and be saved.
maze batabarwe. Mujyi
Though for those who have sinned against the Lord, I will make you as helpless as a blind man.
Ati gusa nanone abo ngabo bagiye bakosereza Imana bakanga guhinduka, ati nzabahindura ubuzima bwabo mbugire nk'ubw'impumyi
Searching for a path,
itazi inzira.
as it's only in the darkness that we find ourselves.
Ati kuko mu mwijima gusa buriya nibwo tujya tubasha kwisobanukirwa cyangwa niho twibona,
Or find our Maker's wrath.
cyangwa se nanone tutabasha kwibona muri uwo mwijima ngo twisubireho. Nanone muri uwo mwijima niho duhurira n'uburakari bw'Imana. Wumvishe amagambo ariko yaparitse imodoka yuzuye amaraso. Bavuyemo muri butu bakuramo umurambo twabonagaho umusore imodoka irangije icaho umujyi w'abanyabyaha mukanya hari umukobwa w'umumansuzi wavuye kumansura umwe twabonaga umukobwa ari kugenda katurore yabonye umuntu bataye hasi mumfashe mumfashe hagize umfasha nyagasani nyagasani ni wewe koko ni wewe umva amagambo yaravuze ati ni weho fasha
You can help him.
wamufasha
Save him, Macy.
wamutabara
He needs a hospital, he needs a priest.
gusa nanone ntabwo akeneye kujya kwa muganga ahubwo akeneye nk'umukozi w'imana akeneye nk'umupadiri niwe wamufasha
He's gonna die.
araza gupfa niyo magambo impumyi yaje icaho iravuga taraza gupfa bakise Corbin Nash hey! bimeze bite katurore izi ni intangiriro zako dutangiriye hakurino muri New York cyangwa se muri New York reka bagusubize inyuma umwaka umwe wahise bagusubize inyuma mbere kuri musore tubona ari ku muhanda impumyikazi kavuga ati uyu muntu n'ubundi araza gupfa byanga byakunda babanje kudusubiza inyuma umwaka umwe NYPD wa musore yari muzima icyo gihe mwaka ushize umusore ari muzima ndetse yari umupolisi abapolisi bagira ahantu baza kwitoreza ikofi hakurino vuyeyo azakurino ni Corbin Nash afite tatuwaje y'izina rye azakurino yari umupolisi vuye mu mwitozo zo kwambara kira gutya nk'abapolisi bakaza kwitoza ukuntu ahuye na haduyi yamwereka ko abantu baba batandukanye.
A break, shooter. Next time. Ain't gonna be no next time.
ubutaha nzagutsinda ntabwo ubutaha buzaba kuko ndagiye nta butaha buzaba.
Hey, you got 2 strikes against you. Don't do anything stupid.
tururi umusore witwa Nash ndetse n'izina rya filime niko ryiswe Nash mwakire umusore acaho ntavuga byinshi bwarije aza mu kabari.
Well, makes you better, you know, Corbin. Especially when pieces of shit like this get away.
mani ibintu bimeze gutya ibintu byose ari umwanda uba ugomba kugira icyo ukora
Better.
cyane.
Could have fucking shot him.
nagomba kuba namurashe
You shot him.
cyane rwose agomba kuba wamurashe tunywemo. ni umusaza ari kuganira na Nash mu kanya hari undi musaza uri mu kabari muramuzi sera kwitegereza abona hari igisaza gikomeje kubareba mu kabari cyaje kuvumba ubonye ari umusaza uri kubitegereza umusaza ava yamwigira umusaza wari umaze umwanya amwitegereza aza amwigira umusore iki gisaza zavayo Jack azi uyu musaza Jack we asa nk'abaziranye umusaza uricaye ari kumwe n'umusore abaha akanya aca ishene katururi.
Who are you?
urinde
I'm a friend of the family.
ndi inshuti y'umuryango
I got no family.
njye nta muryango ngira.
See, Jack's got you on a tight leash.
birasa nkaho Jack yakwitayeho.
Yeah, he's a good man.
ni umugabo mwiza
He's not your father.
ariko ntabwo ari so.
How'd you know I'd be here?
ubizi ko utari ku bundi cyangwa uzi gute ko ndi hano?
You following me?
uri kugenda unkurikirana?
It's not a good idea.
ntabwo ari igitekerezo cyiza kunkurikira.
It's not difficult to
ntabwo bigoye
in a flock of sheep.
gutandukanya imbwebwe cyangwa se ikirura kiri mu mukumbi w'intama.
We have a few things in common, you and I.
njye nawe hari ikintu duhure wa musore we.
Yeah?
igiki?
Yeah, we like guns.
dukunda imbunda njye nawe.
Looks old.
iyi irashaje
Belong to your father.
yahoze ari iya so. ndagira ngo mve amagambo.
He used it on people.
papa we ntabwo yazaga akoresha imbunda ku bantu. papa wanjye?
Yeah. And your sweet mother.
Papa wanjye uramuzi? Yego papa wawe ndamuzi, ndetse na mama wawe wari mwiza. Sasa bene sasa papa wanjye ndamuzi na mama wawe wari icyuki. Gutyo nyine.
My parents are dead.
Ababyeyi banjye barapfuye.
You know anything about them?
Hari icyo ubazi yose ahubwo?
My mother was Irish, my father played ball.
Papa wanjye yakinaga football.
Serious, kid.
Oya.
He did.
The thing was that being a baseball player was just a cover.
Papa wawe ibyo yakoraga na mama wawe ngo yaragendaga ngo yakinaga ngo baseball, biriya ntabwo byabaga ari byo, kwabaga ari ukubeshya, ntabwo yakinaga baseball.
Cover for what?
The battle with demons and destiny.
Papa wanjye siyishaga muri football ubusanzwe akora iki? Papa wawe yabaga yari guhisha intambara, yabaga ahanganyemo n'amadayimoni n'abandi babi.
Demons, huh? Okay.
Okay.
The never-ending fight
Iyo ni intambara itagirangira.
between good and evil. Your parents
Ababyeyi bawe
came from a long line of hunters. You're one of them.
nawe uri umwe mu babyeyi bawe, kuko ni ibintu byari biri mu muryango wanyu guhangana n'amadayimoni.
What you looking for in here?
Icyo uri gushakana ariko ni iki?
No?
It's 3 blocks down
Hano hepfo.
east. It's called a fucking hospital.
Hari ivuriro ryo mu mutwe. Hari n'iryo ushaka.
You're my last rodeo, kid. I'm almost done.
Wa mwana niwe wenyine usigaye mu muryango w'iwanyu.
Your parents
Ababyeyi bawe
killed in Los Angeles.
babiciye muri Los Angeles.
Your dad was there for the game.
Papa wawe umunsi byitwa ko yagiye gukina,
Hunting.
ariko yari yagiye guhiga amadayimoni.
They were slaughtered.
Barishwe ababyeyi bawe.
It's the truth, Corbin.
Ibyo umugabo ari kukubwira nibyo. Kuki?
Doing?
I didn't want to tell you because I wanted to protect you.
Impamvu ntabikubwiye mbere nuko nashaka kukurinda, ariko uyu musaza ibyo akubwira nibyo. Ababyeyi bawe ngo bari abantu babyifiteho mu muryango w'iwabo.
Listen to it.
Ndetse ari atumva ibyo uyu mugabo ari gukubwira nibyo, mutega amatwi.
I was there.
Nari mari.
Our mission was to kill their royal blood.
Ndetse icyari cyatujyane kwari kugira ngo duhagarike ibyo bidayimoni byasaga nkaho bifite amaraso y'ibwami, tubirimbure byose.
Brothers. We got one.
Bari abavandimwe babiri, ariko bari abavandimwe babiri twabashije kwica mu umwe.
The other one, Drake.
Undi umwe yitwaga Drake.
Zane's insane.
Drake was behind it.
Drake yari abiri inyuma.
Fucking insane.
You
Uri umusazi wowe.
You were kept away from all this evil.
Twaragufasha ngo tujye kuguhisha kure cyane, tuguhisha ikibi.
Drake doesn't even know you exist.
Drake nta nubwo azi kubaho.
My parents are dead.
Ababyeyi banjye barapfuye.
No fucking fairy tale's gonna.
Wizana ibyo bintu by'imigani, amadayimoni ngiki, iyo ni imigani.
It's your time.
Cyo gihe cyawe. Iki ni igihe cyawe, amuha impeta.
I want you to have this.
Papa wawe yifuza ko impeta nazayiguha. Yari Yesusha. Kabasaza nk'aba bavuga. Saramubwiye ati ababyeyi bawe bari umuryango warwanyaga amadayimoni. Yari yo misiyo yabo.
Too soon.
Kucuje kubivuga vuba.
DJ, it's a damn good start.
Umva ntago natinze, ahubwo reka igihe gitangire. Musore baje kumubwira Katorore. Hey, nuko dutangiye. Musore yari umupolisi waho ngaho wikorera akazi kose ashinzwe, none baje bamubwira ati kandi umuryango w'iwanyu higa dayimoni, ibintu byinshi cyane. Barakwereka aho twavuye, nibyo bari kutwibutsa. Umusore ka gakobwa kamutoraguye nanone ubwo twatangiraga filime kuri uyu munsi wa none turiho, kamuzanye hakurino. Kamuzanye hakurino kumukorera antorotsi. Kamuzanye hano. Umusore nimba ari ibiki byamushkora utuye mu ijosi, yatangiye kwibuka umusore aryamye. Yibuka uko byagenze. Yibuka byari byamuzengurutse, nibyo ari kugenda yibuka. Yibuka ibyamuzengurutse biramuporeza. Yibuka yari afungiye, nibyo ari kwibuka. Umusore ni Nash. Yibutse ahavuye, uko byagenze byose arabyibuka. Nash yarakangutse, kwibuka n'ibiki byamubayeho. Turore yatoraguwe n'umukobwa wo mu mansuzi. Kureba ni gusa nta mbaraga. amaraso ni menshi yavuye. Katorore tugaruke Los Angeles. Amezi 6 nanone ashize mbere y'uko musore yisanga mu bitaro nako kwa umukobwa ari kumuvura. Ukoreka amezi 6 ahise hakuno haragiye amanitse abantu bagiye baburirwa irengero. Musore twatangiye ari muri New York ariko abwira bagenzi be ngaragiye ese ajya Los Angeles. Barikora amafoto y'abana babuze. Musore akiri muzima.
Shit don't make any sense.
Ntabwo bisobanutse.
It's all too random.
Abashimuse bari kwaka ikiguzi ngo barikora bashimuse.
Whole thing's spooky.
Bina mugenzi we.
Motherfucker.
Niba kira kigoryi.
Friend of yours?
Urakizi?
Disease my ass. Fucking guy raped a 7-year-old girl, but he got off on a technical.
Uriya muhungu wa Nigeria afashe umwana ku ngufi imyaka 7 arangije asohoka mu rukiko yemye nkaho nta cyaha yakoze.
Fucking believable.
Ntabwo nabyizera.
Froze my daughter, I'd have killed the sick man.
Yaza ko umwana wanjye afashe ku ngufi ne kwita burasa.
Put him down.
Sha nanjye nagishyira hasi nakirasa. Bari kuganira. Nawe yakirasa. Yaje gukorera muri Los Angeles avuye New York.
You think there's more than one guy doing this?
Urakeka so abasore benshi barenze uyu nguyu bari gukora ibintu nk'ibi cyangwa abagabo nk'aba?
Yeah, I do.
Yego niko mbyizera uko nikabibona.
Fine.
Bego ubutabera hano ntago buboneka. Bano bana baburi urengero tugomba kubashaka. Akigera muri Los Angeles yasabaga ati hano bana uko dukwiye kubashaka. Barakwereka muri iryo joro bwarije.
Beautiful.
Aruri hano uri kugenda uvuga ngo ndi mwiza. Yikubita ibirungu.
I am an angel.
Ndi marayika.
I am a cold-blooded fucking killer.
Dumwicanyi wa undi nyine utagira umutima. Hey. Yewe.
Mr. Fuck me.
Kigabo kimeze nk'ikigori kiri hano.
Chase it.
Karaga kobwa gakurikire. Bwa bukobwa bugenda amajuru. Karaga kobwa gakurikire. Ko mfite desa zanjye. Buriya ni waza kugaruramo n'ay'intore. Napfuye. Desa zanjye fura Rwande. Sasa DJ reka nsotse gato ndaje reka nitabe telefone nze.
I think I'm beautiful.
I think you're so beautiful.
Yeah. I think I'm sexy. Yeah. Like that?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me I'm beautiful. Tell me you love me.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
Now look at me.
Kigabo ni vampire kiramurya. Kigabo ni amavampire aramuruma. Cya kigabo ni vampire, ni ikigabo kimeze nk'ikigore. Kikubona mugenzi wacu ni amavampire. Bibunye amaraso amenye ahita ashingukayo ni ibivampire. Ni intangiriro. Umusore hakuri no kuri uyu munsi wa none baracyari kumuvura. Ameze nabi. Umukobwa mu manso ziri kumufasha. Yeah. Biniki.
What's going on?
Ibiki bijya mbere.
I'm just trying to help.
Help. Why am I chained to a bed?
Ushaka kugufasha kuki wanziritse?
Because someone I trust told me to.
Kuko umuntu nizera yambwiye ngo nkuzirike.
For protection.
Kuko umutekano wanjye. We mutekano.
Mine.
Why are you doing this?
kuki uri gukora ibi?
Don't remember me, do you?
Ese ntabwo unyibuka mbwira? Ntabwo unyibuka? Mukobwa yikuyeho bya bisatsi bajya bishyiraho kugira ngo amwiyereke ko yaba amwibuka. Ntabwo unyibuka?
We met before.
Twigeze guhurana mbere. Yari umunsi umwe umukobwa ari kumansura nibyo ari kumwibutsa. Icyo gihe nari ndi kumansura mu ibara ndi mu kazi nshinzwe, waje kunywa byera uri kunywa mu rugero. Hey, hari abantu banywa mu rugero, hari n'abandi banywa ukabona basinda kiyedi. Umukobwa ikigabo kiri kumusagarira, icyo gihe warashurana bara bari kunsagarira, abasinzi bari basinze nk'abanyweye icyuya cy'ingagi, uraza urabakoma. Ibyo umukobwa ari kumwibutsa. Abasinzi bari basagariye umukobwa, yaramutabara. Ugira neza ukayisanga imbere, dore uwo yatabaye nawe ari kumufasha. Jya utabara buri umwe ntiyabura icyo agufasha nawe.
After that,
Nyuma y'ibyo
I asked around and Darius told me who you were. You're that detective working on the missing cases.
nibwo baje kumbwira ngo uri detective ukora ku birego by'abantu babuze, uri gushaka abantu babuze.
My brother's missing.
Musaza wanjye yarabuze. Umukobwa kumwe afite umusaza we wabuze. Kino hari icyaje gukomanga yoniga. Cya Korode.
Nice.
Fungura mwana.
What's up, girl?
Biti cyuki yo.
You what?
Korode cyo muri The Victory.
Girl.
I'm not your girl. Okay, you were a mistake.
Sheri umva ntabwo ndi sheri wawe ndakwiyamye.
Come on, babe.
Gira ariko mwana.
Yeah.
Yagirije ariko turi kumwe mwana.
Touch me.
Umukobwa arakinga winkora ariko ndakwiyamye.
Shit. Come on now, stop.
Leave it alone, Carl. Go!
Oh.
Umukobwa arakinga.
Nice.
Umusa.
Open the fucking door!
Fungura umuryango.
Open the fucking door! What the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that?
Go!
Uriya musore mu nzu ninde cyamubonyemo? Uriya ninde? Uriya ninde?
Fuck!
Sike!
Hey, what the fuck? Huh?
Uriya ninde mwana?
Let's go!
Kura y'imbunda.
Leave her alone, get the fuck.
Umukobwa mureke wenyine uri kutubangamira. Hari abaturanyi babibitseho utubunda wa kigoryi uraza kubangamira abaturanyi. Oya nakinaga. Ciao.
Grandma, you fucking animal, move!
Wanyamaswe vano ugende. Uyu mujyi ngo nuw'abarakare gusa nta nyangamugayo utuyemo. N'umubyeyi witonda dore n'uyu nguyu uba ufite imbunda n'intoreye.
Thank you.
Murakoze.
I know his face. He's one of the 27 I was looking for.
He was taken a year ago. He's alive. I can feel it.
Taracyari muzima.
I believe that too. I was close.
Tururi. Sore reka bakwereke ko yagiye ashaka abantu. Yakomeje kugenda ashaka abantu bari bagiye baburirwa irengero. Ndetse na moto ye. Ababaga baragiye baburirwa irengero akaza ku ikarita akamenya ese baburiye he.
I got you.
Katuri yaje hakunino nibyo ari kugenda yibuka aryamye kuko yakomeje kugenda ashaka abantu. Yaje hakunino umunsi umwe igiti cye Komangano.
Move on, whoever the fuck you are.
Shaka iki mwana hano turi mu kazi. Komanga.
Oh.
Mena ikirahuri. Imodoka arayimena. Gukuraho imbunda inyuma. Bunda ku mutwe. Fuck. Sike.
You know that's not just blood coming out your ears, right? That's fluid leaking from your brain. That's surgery right there, regardless.
Fuck, man. I can't feel my fucking face anymore.
Imagine what I'll do to you when I drag you out of this car.
Who the hell are you, man?
Mwana ubundi uri cyane ari kumubaza abantu babaga bashimuswe.
It's a good question.
Don't kill me, alright?
Ntunyice mwana.
No.
I want to know who they are. I want their fucking names.
Ndashaka kumenya ni bande bari gushimuta abantu amazina yabo.
I don't know their names.
Nta mazina yabo nzi.
But these guys,
Abo bantu
fucking crazy.
ni abasazi.
What do you mean?
Ushaka kuvuga iki?
I mean, there's some dark shit going on in this town.
Mani muri uyu mujyi hari ibintu bihabera mwana.
There's talks about these guys
Bajya bavuga kuri abo bantu
from us.
ngo ntibasanzwe.
Different how?
Ngo batandukanye natwe gute?
That they're not even human.
Bajya bavuga ngo nta nubwo ari abantu abo bantu bari gushimuta abantu. Ngo nta nubwo ari abantu. Ngome wa kigoryi uri kumbeshya.
I'm telling you straight, man.
Byo nkubwira ni ukuri mwana.
Like animals.
Bameze nk'inyamaswa. Nta bantu.
Even monsters!
Nta bantu b'inyamaswa babaho.
Where do I find them?
Nababona he?
I don't know.
Sinzi. Bagise kuryi.
Find them!
Nababona he?
I'll tell you everything, okay? Just stop.
Nakubwiye buri kimwe nzi mwana.
There's a collection tomorrow night, okay? East Side Storage. Speak to the blind man.
Yaramubwiye
Sees everything.
ati yari ahantu yamurangira ambwira ati hari ahantu haba impumyi. Uwo musaza w'impumyi niwe ubuze ibintu byinshi, niwe wakubwira amakuru menshi. Iyo mpumyi niyo yagufasha. Njye nta makuru mfite. Gatururi.
Serpent. Known as the devil or Satan.
Ati hari ikiyoka kinini cyane, ikiyoka kinini cyane abantu benshi bakizi nka Sekibi.
Great deceiver of the world.
Ndetse icyo kiyoka nicyo mubeshyi wa mbere w'iyi si.
Was thrown down to the earth, and his angels were thrown down with him.
Ati icyo kiyoka kinini cyoherejwe muri iyi si ndetse cyamanukanye na bamarayika bacyo. Ego?
Why do I get the feeling with all the craziness going on around here?
Ese kuki nagiye kwivamo ko ari ibintu by'ubusazi bibera muri uyu mujyi wacu?
It's not entirely what you see.
Uvuga ibyo utabona.
We all have a shadow side, young man.
Wa mwana we twese iyo turi kugenda tuba dufite ibicucucucu iruhande rwacu.
I sense yours is quite a strong one.
Gusa wa musore igicucucucu cyawe nangiye kumva ko ari igicucucucu gikomeye cyane kitikoraho.
You can see it.
Ndabyumva nubwo ntabibona.
What do you see?
Ubona iki?
There's a fine line between good and evil.
Ati hari umurongo mwiza kandi mutonya utandukanye ikibi n'icyiza. Muri uyu muntu kuba ari mwiza iyo icyo kintu ari cyangwa undi ari mubi ntabwo baba batandukanijwe n'ikintu kinini cyane, nta kantu gatonya kabatandukanya.
Sometimes you've got to do a little bad for the greater good.
Rimwe na rimwe uba ugomba gukora ikibi kugira ngo uzagere ku cyiza gihambaye cyane. Musaza mwereka amaso ye.
I see destiny.
Wa mwana mbasha kubona ibizakubaho cyangwa se bya bintu udashobora guhindura. Bimwe umuntu avuga ati hari ibigomba kumbaho ntacyo nakora bigomba kuba.
I don't believe in destiny.
Njye rero ibyo ntabwo njya mbyizera tu. Ibyo ntabwo mbyizera muzehe. Amakuru menshi yazi kuyabaza umusaza.
You will. Oh, you.
Ati uzagera aho byizere. Ati ntabwo mbyizera you will. Ati uzabibyizera tu. Umusore se afata moto ashyiraho igiti cye, ashyiraho akabando k'iminsi. Yagaciye hariya agashyira kuri moto. Umusaza haraho yamurangiye. Gatururi. Umusore urangije avayo. umusore avuye muri iryo joro akomeje kwibaza abantu bakomeje kuburirwa irengero bajyanwa hehe. gusa aramubwiye ati abantu bakomeje gutwara abantu nta nubwo ari abantu urebye, ati batandukanye natwe, ati n'abavuga ko ari inyamaswa. umusaza nawe akamubwira ati Sekibi yamanukiye muri iyi si ndetse azana n'ibiyoka bye nako n'abamarayika be. umusore yaje akunubira mucanga, sibyo bamubwira nibyo cyangwa katurore. Coben Nash yaje hakurino akomeza kugenda yitegereza ibintu by'imigenzo bibera hakurino, abantu basa nk'abari kurya abandi, bya bishushanyo bya Sekibi bya Illuminati tangira kugenda bibona hano biramucanga ari kugenda bihuza n'iperereza rye, akabona abantu barya abandi, abona n'uwitwa Drake yibaza Drake ari hehe. katorore muri iryo joro muri wa mujyi katorore.
How did you get this lead?
wamenye gute ko bari hano?
You really wanna know?
ushaka kubimenya? yazanye n'uwo mupolisi wo bamurangiye.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. You going off the rails playing fucking vigilante? You're gonna get us both in trouble, man.
Mani, kuba twaje mu kazi masaha y'ijoro gutya tuje gucunga bino bintu bishobora kuza kudushyira mu byago. Polisi afite ubwoba, iwe nta bwoba agira.
Did you deserve it at least?
Yes, sir, I left my mark.
Oh, good. What are we doing here?
Turakora iki hano?
What are we looking for?
Bundi turashaka iki?
Hey, Frank, let me ask you something. You ever heard of, the occult? Out here in LA?
You mean, like devil worship?
Atano hari imigenzo bambwiye haba. Bya bintu by'imigenzo y'abantu basenga Sekibi.
Different.
Turashaka kuvuga bimwe byo gusenga ba Sekibi. Imigenzo y'abantu nyine batizera Imana bakora ibintu nyine bitabaho. Imigenzo ya gipagana ha?
That's it.
Bariya nibo.
There it is.
Kayaje bariya nibo.
What the fuck?
Let's go.
Tugende.
Hey! Please! Get out the fucking car! Freeze!
Kuri iyo modoka nimuvaho muri.
Down.
Muvaho muri.
That fucking body down real slow!
Get out the fucking car!
Kuri iyo modoka.
I said get out the fucking car!
Ndavuze ngo muve kuri iyo modoka. Cya kigabo twabonye cy'ikivampaye babwira n'amavampaye. Turinzara.
Oh my!
Oh my!
That's a big gun.
Bega imbunda nini?
Ooh.
Yo, vikigori. Kivampaya.
Don't you come any closer.
Winyegera.
Put a fucking bullet in you.
Nunyegera ndakumena isasu.
Well, tell me,
Bwira.
what am I?
You're fucking cannibals.
Diki, uri ikintu kiraho gusa urasamye.
Don't fucking put the fucking body down!
Shira umurambo hasi.
I'm gonna shoot this asshole!
Giye kurasa kano gatafari mwana shira umurambo hasi.
I like this one.
Sore namukunze.
Turn around. Real fucking slow.
This is my favorite part.
Hey! Windukira. Cyaci ndakibura inyuma ye. Turakurikira ku murambo. Taturare. Kivayo cyihuse cyane. Baga umuntu. Gasani. Hey! Kiramubaga. Guhindukira byabaye byihuse cyane umusore nawe bamushyiramo. Gabo birabangutse ni ibivampaye. ubu utarahindukira byamaze kwica mugenzi wawe, ibintu byose byabirangije. Turore. Tinze mu gitondo uyu nguyu bamukubise akantu k'ingusho, yakangutse saa sita z'amanywa abandi umubyizi bawucyuye. Vampire ziri hariya ntizikoraho. Katurore sasa yinjiye mu hakurino. Ninjoro yazanye na mugenzi we, ariko mugenzi we ntago amubona. Coby Nash ntago amubona, yisanze wenyine. Kuremo hakuno muri iyi nzu. Izi nk'ari ahantu bagenda bamanika abantu.
Fucking Christ.
Bino bintu ni ubusazi. Utangiye kugenda abona ibihabera. Mbona ukuntu abantu bahabagirwa, amaraso arahuzuye. Hano hari amavampaya muri uyu mujyi, ndetse akomeje kuburisha abantu abakeneye kurya no kunywa. Zakurino tangira kubona ya mavampire burya aryama abantu. Kumbe dore umusore batwaye, turaho yisanze. Turaho yisanze. Umusore yisanze ari mu minyururu, kandi si we wenyine yafungiye benshi. Ni benshi bino bigabo bigenda bishimuta. Arasakuza. Nyangoyan! Ntawe umwumva. Nta muntu ukwitayeho umusore. Ana twese tutari ishene tutaratuje. Umugabo uri hano asa nk'ufite amaraso ku ntoki.
What is this place?
Hano hantu ni he?
Where are we?
Turi hehe?
Nowhere.
Ntaho ariho. Ntaho bari.
Nobody must know where. Remember how you got here? How long you been here?
Maze igihe kingana cyane.
Does it matter?
Icyo nicyo cy'ingenzi se?
The outside world. We've all disappeared. Jesus Christ. Ghosts, kid.
Ako kanya taratangira kuzima. Turore.
They're coming.
Baraje. Baraje, ni bande baje. Turore. Umusore yakurikiranye ikirego kirenze. Umusore baraje baramuzirika, mucanaho. Mugenzi aracyari gukora iperereza amenye umusore bamujyanye he. kurubanana tururi dore aho yisanze baraje munaga hano wagira ngo suri kugira kuno huzuye amaraso mugenzi we aracyari kugerageza kureba ko yamubona tangiye gukubitwa sura kubiswe yisanze ahantu hameze nko muri ringi sanze muri ringi tururi muri ringi sanga rwana n'abatazi ntambarira ruta sara batangira kumukubita ingumi n'umukomando gusa nisanze rwana n'abana atazi vayo mujinga we mujeri hasi box gabara karangiza kibiri baya karakarangije
Son of a bitch.
nyana zimbwa aho yabonye uyu arabatuka
Strength.
sore irya
I don't want your food.
ntawe ushaka ibiryo byawe
You sit there and die like a dog. You
cyo urangabura ubona ndimbwa ibyo bintu nabirya
your friend. That was your first fight.
uriya ni umurwaniro wa mbere
It's not gonna be your last.
ariko si wo wa nyuma
Eat.
ukeneye imbaraga rero katururi
What if you don't fight?
ninarwana se
You're dead.
urahita upfa wanze kurwana barakwica
If you lose, let's just say you don't have to worry about the cage anymore.
nanone iyo utsinzwe nta muntu uba ukikwitayeho hano
I know what you're thinking.
iyo utekereza ndabizi
You're asking yourself why go on. Oh, they killed my little boy. They spared my wife. And she's here somewhere. You think she's still alive?
If she is, she'll pray for death.
kumbe hano ari kwibaza umugore bashimuse yibaza ati si yaba akiri muzima hari akamubwira ati niyo yaba akiri muzima yakifuje gupfa kuruta uko yakaba yari muzima
She's alive.
ntari muzima
Now what?
I can still hear their screams.
nanone ndacyari kumva urusaku rwabo basakuza
Just
ni abakobwa baragiye bashimutirwa hano
What's it to you, man?
I'm a cop.
ndi umupolisi
I've been trying to find these people.
abo bantu bose babuze ndaza kubabona
buddy. No.
Good job, asshole.
kazi keza wa gatafari we
What do you see? Where are the others?
bandi bari
Just using us.
bari kudukoresha
Using us for what?
babakoresha iki se bari kudukoramo akazi
Food.
bari kudukoramo ibiryo ngo bari kudukoramo ibiryo Hey! bakoramo ibiryo bakeneye kurya Sene baramubwira ati nimbonye utsinze umurwano wa mbere ntugire ngo urakaze, uyu ni umurwano wa mbere ariko si wo wa nyuma, komeza urwane. Ataragira gutyo kagira ukuntu avaho, mataragira gutyo akavaho, hari abinjiriye amatara avuyeho. Ataravaho wa mukobwa baramutwara bajya kubakoramo ibiryo. Ubwo nawe urabyumva, barabarya. Namwe numvishe mwaregeza amavampaya. Abana b'iyi minsi baramutwaye bajye kumurya. Akurino.
You killed her. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Ndaza kukwica. Agiye kujya muri ringi. Katorore. Tugaruke hakuno ku kabari.
Bit early, don't you think, Frank? I'm not.
Bandi waba wazindutse cyane urabona atari ko bimeze.
Corbin's gone.
Corbin yagiye. Tagiye kumwereka amafoto.
Ring any bells? Now I know why Corbin kept coming to this shithole.
Maze kumenya impamvu Corbin ahora aza muri kano kabari. Abaje gushaka bano bantu bagenda babura.
All dancers right here.
Aba babasuzi bose bari hano baburiwe irengero.
Start fucking talking.
Tangira umubwire baburiye hehe.
Okay, there's nothing I can do. You know, I don't got time for
Ntacyo nagumva ntagiye mfite kibi.
down to the station, right?
Aba bansuzi baburiwe irengero bari hehe.
Okay? Two guys. One's a mean-looking bastard, all in black. The other one is, you know, I don't know what the fuck it was, but it did this.
Umva, nawe n'abantu babiri, umwe yenda kumera nk'umugabo kandi akamera nk'umugore, niwe wanguze bino ubona ku isura.
I've seen the bodies, Darius. I know you know who I'm talking about.
Ndabizi ko ibyo mvuga ubizi mbwira.
Just tell me where to find them.
Mbwira nababona he.
You don't find them.
Ntabwo wababona.
They find you.
Ahubwo nibo baza kukwibonera, ntabwo ari ubashaka. Barakwishakira. Yagasani. Vuze ngo bararenze.
Happy anniversary.
Isabukuru nziza mwana bari kunywamo. Ndacyaje n'ikimeze nk'ikigabo.
Tell me,
Mbwira.
how old am I again?
Ese ndi kugenda nsaza.
How old am I really?
You'd be 73, darling.
Atesa ngana gutati wakagombye ko mfite urasa nk'ufite imyaka 32. Ubundi se mfite ingahe? Ufite 70 na. Ari muri 70.
All those women that you killed before,
Bari abagore bose wagiye wica mbere.
did you really just murder them?
Ese warabishe gusa? Yego.
That's all they deserved.
Bari babikwiye.
And you didn't fuck any of them?
Nta numwe muri bari abakobwa bose wishe mwigeze muryamana.
None of them.
Wapi? Nge ntago nikoraho.
I need to know that I'm special.
Ndashaka kumenya ko nasanzwe.
You are.
Cyane rwose ntusanzwe.
That's nice, dear.
Ibyo ni byiza sheri. Shyiramo akarembo baba bari ku maraso binywera gake gake mu rugero, tumwe mu rugero. Banywa amaraso, dore abakobwa babashimuse babaziritse buriya baraje banywa amaraso yabo. Bakagira gutya bakabyina. Ubwo bari kuri dina. Ibintu bimeze neza.
It made me. My mother was a whore.
What made me so special?
Because I just knew when I looked into your eyes, I was saved.
Ati ngo urebye mu maso nkubonamo amaso ya mama wanjye. Yatangiye kwibuka uburyo bahuyemo. Yeah.
Abandoned me.
Bari bantaye.
They didn't deserve you.
Ntago bari bagukwiye n'ubundi rega, reka bagute ntago bari bagukwiye.
I know.
They killed me.
you saved me. Forever.
tangiye kwibuka ukuntu bahuye. igihe cyo kurya kirageze, kiramurya. Yesu Kristo, mbega ifunguro ridutunga uyu munsi cy'abantu. Tugaruke hakurino box mutwe kirashaka kumurya, uretse winjya ni ikivampe bari guhangana. Winjya kiraterura nepoza hasi box arakirenze. Kura amenyo, kimukanda amaso, kanda amatara, ndaga kurya. Tururi mugeri uretse terura ikigoryi nepozano fusha. bagiye mu ngumi, ubucyara muteye utwe shyira kuri senyenge. nabikubwiye ko ndi bukwicara kibaga na senyenge. ingi yabo ni senyenge, yaje gukaraba intoki yewana. kazi kose
Job pretty good.
He had it coming.
He did.
This place doesn't make any sense.
hano hantu hakugira umwicanyi.
What do you mean?
Doesn't feel criminal. Feels like something else.
Like what?
Something impossible.
Who took you? Were there two of them? That's what I thought. The one that killed my boy. He looked like a woman, but there's no way in hell it was. He's stronger than a damn mule.
You fought them?
Fucking try.
uyu mugabo niwe wizanye hano aje gushaka bano bantu.
I couldn't get near them.
gusa sinigeze mbasha kubagera hafi.
Didn't matter.
gusa ntacyo bivuze.
The other guy, he made me watch.
icyo kigabo kindi cyica abantu. uyu yaje aje kubihigira.
They killed our boy. Right. It isn't criminal. It's pure evil.
I was told my parents were taken. Murdered.
numvise ngo ababyeyi banjye barishwe.
I didn't believe it at first.
mbere ntabwo najyaga mbyizera ko ari abantu barya abandi, ibi bimeze nk'ibidayimoni.
Given a name.
Who?
hari izina ry'umuntu nshaka witwa Drake. izina ry'umuntu nshaka witwa Drake kiraho. amatara arongera avaho. iyo amatara avuyeho kandi umenya ko ari umurwano wari uba ugiye gutwarwa. tururi yongeye isangana.
You are not afraid.
ntabwo bugira.
Dark room doesn't scare me. Does it pleasure you then, maybe? What? The darkness. Its flames engulf you. Yet, you fail to see this.
twa musore kubera umwijima ugukikije wananiwe kureba ibihari.
Who are you?
urinde
The one that dwells amongst the darkest of souls.
uwo nguwo ubasha gutura hagati y'ubwo bugingo bw'umwijima asa nk'unabuyoboye we yaraseka
Fuck you!
aramutuka
What's so bad then why you hide?
watuka wabona umenya ari sekibi satani mwenyewe
My sin is different to yours. Its origin is not of your world. If you fall far enough, you will see me.
numara kurwana mu Rwanda uraza kumbona so nibyo ari kwibuka aryamye
Okay. Open this one next.
uyu kumbe wa mumansuzi nawe bareba ka kana kabuze igasaza ke
Merry Christmas, Zach.
yeah. izi nabi
Born into darkness. These men turn to walk down dark paths.
abantu bahisemo kugenda mu nzira y'umwijima
They take pleasure in doing wrong.
bishimira gukora ibibi
And they enjoy the twisted ways of evil.
ndetse bishimira inzira zayobye za sekibi tururi yavayo
What's shaking, Pops? Why don't you just leave me alone?
kuki mutandika njyenyine wa musaza w'impumyi
Understand why you must live this lie. I like the sun on my face. That's enough for me.
Well,
njyewe ibyo ubu busaza we ntacyo bimbwiye ko yibereyeho biramuhagije baje kumuremba
I embrace the darkness. So fuck them and the day. We own this world.
isi ni iyacu
Lord.
bishimira umwijima
But love him. All the wicked he will destroy. Thy throat,
ababi bose bazarimbuka
open coffin. The tongue is used as a weapon to deceive. Blood of asps.
tururimi niyo ntwaro abantu bikoresha babeshya
I've accepted my fate.
njye nemeye ibigomba kuzambaho
Tonight. Maybe you're right. But I'm not the one who's blind here. You just don't see it, do you? See what, old man? Your time will come.
igihe cyanyu kigiye kuza
He will destroy them and their evil ways.
ati azazana imbura izo nzira za sekibi zose baraseka
Abandoned me a long time ago. But you know what?
aho urabizi
You fell from his grace. And now you've got to rot down here with the rest of them.
ati nawe witwa ngo wahawe imbabazi ze nawe wagumye muri iyi si wafunganywe n'abo ngabo bari mu nzira mbi cyangwa se n'abo babi uri kumwe nabo muzehe bamusigaho barigendera baza mu kabyiniro kurya isi y'ama vampire n'abiri kabashe gushaka icyo kurya kugera mu kabari bari abakobwa babiyambarisha ubusa ari aba vampire ry'abantu yakubonye ahita abona iriya ni inyama niweho baheraho iriya ni iroti niwe baheraho impamvu ugomba kwikwiza do vampire yakinjira ahera kuri bari ababiyambitse ubusa iriya ni inyama byaje muri ka kabyiniro. Akabyiniro gakomeje kuburamo abantu benshi cyane cyane ngo abamansuzi bako, ababyinnyi. Va kuri iyo ntebe sha twicare. Kiriyenza kuri kontwari ndahakunda. Va kuri iyo ntebe nicare. Ndavuze ngo nyimukire ariko niga. Kiniga. Nyimukira. Jeya. Zamurije rigenzi ry'ikigabo gifite ibaraga bidasanzwe n'akaboko kamwe. Araniga. Kimutwimukira dore ibigo rya byabuze ubwenge mu kabari dodo. Reba nka kiriya dodo. Cyabuze ubwenge. Anaga. Nyimukira. Ndakontwari. Ya. Kumbe dore rwa rugoryi. Rumwe rwaje rugakumangira umansuzi bakarwirukana. Rurimo hano narwo. Kare barakira roba. Ngwino. Barabizi arambonye ubuntu yo ruri kunyaka inoti. Kumbe ubuntu no umugabo. Kivayo. Abantu bari mu buyobe rero biroroshye cyane, iherezo ryanyu riri hafi. Kucyara ari kunca inyuma.
What's a fucking idiot?
Kucyara ari kunca inyuma.
Fucking stupid.
Aceka ni ikigoryi.
Oh gosh, you're beautiful.
Nyagasani ni mwiza. Yazanye na vampire.
Nash. What the fuck kind of name is that?
Yari kumwe na Nash. Uvuga izina Nash ararakana.
What did you just say?
Uvuze ngo iki? Uvuze ngo iki Nash? Bahise bazana ikigoryi. Ngo Nash. Ngo aracyari muzima. Hano bari bazi ko bishe Nash, none ngo Nash aracyari muzima. Ngo aracyari muzima. Musore mubonye mu nyubako ya wa mumansuzi. Tujye kumureba tumwice. Menye ko Nash akiri muzima, barazi ko yapfuye, kumba ari mu rugo rw'umumansuzi. Cya kigoryi kivuyemo kirabivuga. Yehora aza gusenga ni wa mumansuzi. Arebe ko yabona agasaza ke kaburiwe irengero. Asenga muri Spanish.
Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día y perdona nuestras ofensas como nosotros también perdonamos a los que nos ofenden.
Dawe uri mu ijuru.
No nos dejes caer en tentación y líbranos, Señor, de todo mal.
Yasenze rya sengesho rya Dawe uri mu ijuru ariko mu cyespanyol. Bigamba mbyumva. Asengeho mbabeshye. Ntabwo bishoka.
Send him an angel of light.
Kohereza marayika w'umucyo. Sarukore hano agatangira kwibuka ibyamubayeho. Sore tangiye kwibuka ibyamubayeho. Gasani. Sore arakangutse. Izi nabi yariwe. Vampire yamuriye. Biranga. Yongeye kwibuka cyagiye ubwo yari muri gereza. Byagenze gute? Ubwo yari muri gereza. Kumishwe uko byagenze. Ibenshi abazanywe muri iyi gereza. Ndetse leta yarababura irengero. Uyu ni umujyi ngo w'abantu babi cyane. Baramuzirika. Oya muri ringi kumbo bazanye bahanganiye. Numwe bari bafunganywe.
I ain't fucking doing this.
ibi ntabwo nabikora.
You got no choice, kid.
Nta mahitamo ufite wa mwana we.
Neither do I.
Ndetse nanjye ntayo mfite, bagomba kurwana.
It's over with.
Intambara iratangira. Hari abarwanisha ntacyo mupfu. Mbere yarwanaga n'ibivampire akabyica yishimye, ariko ari kurwana na mugenzi we ni ikibazo. Byaramuniga. Rekeraho. Surikira kuri senyenge buretse. Box. Umusore yanze kurwana. Yanze kurwana, bari kubarwanisha mu mafuti bapfa ibintu batazi. Yanze kurwana. Yeah.
I'm gonna kill you, kid.
Ndaza kwica wa mwana we. Nutarwana ndakwica. Kunyica reka nanjye nkwice. Kunyica. Yibutse ko gupfa birimo nabyo. Box. Aramubanza. Gusa nanone ntabwo yamwica. Biri kumunanira. Ntabwo ari umwicanyi.
Fucking do it.
Bikore.
I must see my boy.
Sorry.
Mbabarire. Ntabwo yamwica.
Can't do it.
Sinshobora.
No more.
Bigenda. N'ubundi baramukurura. Kurikira baramutwaye. Yumva bari kumushwanyaguza hafi bamunaziye amaraso. Baramushwanyaguje bamunagira amaraso. Gasani. Hano nta mikino ihari. Sakuza ntacyo bimaze. Drake. Yarasakuje ati Drake. Drake yibuke ngo niwe muyobozi wabo. Igihu gitangira kuvaho. Yaramagaye igihu gitangira kuvaho. Niko Benash. Kureba hakurya kumbe burya baba barwana. Muri VIP bari kubareba biyicariye hirya.
I hate them, but do not be troubled, as I too lost somebody dear to me at the hand of your murderous parents.
Murderers?
Ngabicanyi mwe.
What you call all this? Just sick? Fuck!
Mwiyita ibicyano n'abarwayi.
Evolution.
Turabazanye impinduramatwara.
I'm glad my parents killed your fucking brother.
Your existence is a joke.
Kubaho kwanyu ni imikino.
You created the fall.
I'm still standing.
Ndacyahagaze.
Your pathetic shells wander aimlessly through an existence that favors everything you are not.
Ababyeyi bawe bahoze ari buri kimwe utari.
Us.
Uyu musore icyo ari cyo ntaho ugiye uri n'icyo ababyeyi bahoze ari cyo. Bamuciye amazi.
Hunters hide their offspring. When I tore your parents apart, I sensed something. But not you. You don't carry their strength. Unlike them, you are not worthy to die by my hand.
Ababyeyi bawe bari barenze ku buryo ari njyewe wabiyiciye, ariko wowe kubera uciriritse ntabwo ukwiriye kuba wakwicwa n'amaboko yanjye.
Legacy ends with you.
Come fucking get it. You better fucking kill me.
dushyire utugice taratera baramurya umusore yariwe n'amavampaya ndetse atari imwe ahubwo nyinshi. Nibwo banamufataga bajya kumunaga ku muhanda. Tururi.
Something's happening. Father, kill me. Please kill me.
Yariwe n'amavampire amubwiye ataho kugira ngo ahinduke vampire guhinduka azana icyuma mwice. N'icyuma mwice ubwo ukazana mwice n'ubundi yariwe n'amavampaya naye mu kanya arabaye vampaya. Kobwa kugira ngo amwice ahubwo yaribaza amuha amaraso umuhungu none habera vampaya rimwe. Yamuhaye amaraso umusore none ahindukire rimwe ahubwo. Ahinduka ivampire nyayo. Hinduka Nyagasani yabonye amaraso akangukana amavuta. Vampire yabonye amaraso ubundi uhita uyibona sikwaga zari zirimo zwahamuye tubona zongeye kugaruka ibuntu. Yagarutse ibona afite sikwaga. Nyagasani umukobwa agiramo n'ubwoba. Wibuke yarabamenye ko ari muzima. Baziye cya kigo gitwereke umubonye. Nukuri arimo hano. Gifite ukuntu kivuga imvugo nabi bacinjizamo.
He's mine.
N'uwanjye n'umukorewe batangiye kumwitanguranwa n'uwanjye.
Wait, baby. I smell something.
Shiramo indani.
Macy, babe!
Uretse sura aracyaryamye.
Done.
Yapfuye.
You think you could fuck my girl and live, cocksucker?
Wa mujinga wakira kwantwarira Shirimani ukabasha kubaho uriya mansuzi n'uwanjye kimujyeho kirabaga. Bano baracyari mu nyubako. Ifoto y'akana igasaza ko ya mukobwa kaburi urengero kareba kiraseka.
Nobody fucking my girl.
Can't make the same mistake twice. We should burn him.
Tumutwike.
Nobody.
Taramutera. Aramurya. Hindutse vampire.
You said he was dead.
Wavuze ngo yari yapfuye yanagiye.
How do we find him now?
None ubu turamubona gute?
Find us.
We araza kutubona ntago ari twe turi umuhige. Baraza kutwihigira. Mbega kuri n'umukobwa niwe yitsimbye.
Honey, come out! I'm gonna
sohokayo
like a real boyfriend.
Cyashiri wawe tumwice.
Hello, sweetheart. Are you gonna come out to play?
Urasohokayo cyangwa gusohokayo?
I'm waiting for you. And I don't like to wait! Tick-tock. Tick-tock!
Ndi kukubarira isa tick-tock, tick-tock. Tururi. Shiri baramwica. Cya gisore. Kizemo n'ubwoba. Dore amaso umukobwa agiramo n'ubwoba. Gifite amaso. Imiryango cyarawushwanyaguje agakobwa baragashimuta. Umukobwa aramushimuta umusore arariba. Yeah. By vampire. Yabaye nkabo. Katururi. Kobwa baramutwaye. Wa musaza mu nzira yigendera ni impumyi ibere nta byose ababiza bibona yicecekeye.
Destiny caught up with you after all.
Bisa nkaho noneho bimwe bwa ngo utizera biba bigomba kuba utahindura byakwihamagariye byakubayeho.
Frank. The fuck happened to you? Thinks you're dead.
Where are they? Bari hehe?
The question you should be asking is,
Kibazo wakombye kumbaza ni?
Are they?
Ni bande ahubwo?
They are the founders of civilizations, the architects of historical movement.
Ati bara abantu uri guhiga basa nkaho aribo bafonda atari cyangwa se abantu bari gufonda cyangwa se bashaka gushyiraho indisi yabateye nkabo bashaka kurimbura iki kiremwa muntu cyacu bagasigara n'isi y'amavampire gusa.
Much to lose. I don't.
Yaje kubaza ka kabando ke k'iminsi. Nyaga kubita ibirara no yabonye agiye kurwana n'amavampire agahindura.
Been everywhere since the dawn of time.
And the two I'm looking for.
The two you seek, they not only embrace their gift, they revel in it. They work as collectors in what they call.
Bari bafite imodoka yabo igenda ikora nk'igenda ikusanya abantu imirambo. kurya.
Use some for sport, fighting humans.
Bajya bafata abantu bakabakoresha ibintu bimeze nka siporo yo kurwana bicana.
Others, they harvest their blood.
Barangiza bagasarura ku maraso y'abo bantu.
As a food source. They can walk amongst us in daylight. They are weak, fragile, as blind as I.
Ati gusa iyo ari ku manywa baba ari abanyantege nke ntabwo batugendamo. Baba ari impumyi bameze nkanjye ku rumuri.
It only superseded in death. These demons fashion this hell.
Amadayimoni ari kuzana ukuzimu hano ku isi. Barashaka isi kuyihindura nk'ikuzimu.
The only real game left worth playing. How do I kill them?
Nabica gute?
A stake through the heart should do nicely.
Ati uramutse ufashe ikintu cy'igiti cyumye neza ukakijomba ku mutima nibwo bapfa. Yesu aza kukibaza. Vampire ngiyo ushaka kwica buriya nicyo kantu ukoresha. Yarebye ifoto ya Sisi yahoze ngakina baseball ariko kuko abaga ari ukuyobya uburarajijisha. Ubundi yicaga no vampire nawe. Yesu afata moto n'igiti cye yinjira ari amavampire igiti yagisongoye. Yinjiye nta mikino ni kwa Benash n'ubusanzwe ari umupolisi ntabwo bagira agarutse nawe ari vampire nkabo. Sanya igiti cye jya kubiga barajomba yaje Benash uretse sasu ntacyo mutwara. Jano ricyavuyeyo kuraho imbunda sara kireba arabangutse cyane. Ri vampire zamura imbunda aracyumva. Vampire bayihuse fata cya giti rimwe cyarashe yateye ku mutima. Tururi Gerano bimukomera amashyi.
I am so impressed. You actually made it.
Uranyemeje kabisa.
Vince, honey.
Yabikoze.
Be a doll and go get our guest a drink. You look so hot. Oh my god.
None wababaye cyane Imana yanjye bifite ukuntu bizana umuteto.
I said, where is she?
Ndabashe ngo ari hehe.
My baby.
Cici kudakangura abana banjye. Kangura abana banjye. Binywa ku maraso ya hato na hato. Amaraso bishyira mu karahure bimwe mu rugero.
Now, why don't you just have a seat?
Undi wakwicaye.
You're fucking insane.
Umusazi.
You are so fascinating.
Mwakira amaraso tubazimane namwe mwabaye bene wacu. Ikigoryi.
You should be dead.
I am dead.
You've only just begun to live.
You know why I'm here.
Smart Diano.
Well, I thought it was because you wanted me.
Naketse ko ari uko wanshakaga. Mwari munkumbuye. Cyane ko ndi mwiza umva mbese.
The girl.
Shaka umukobwa.
And then I'm gonna kill you.
Shaka umukobwa nimubona nawe nkwice.
And you.
Nawe nkwice.
That is no way to talk to a lady.
Ain't no lady here.
Ntabwo ubwo ari uburyo bavuganamo n'abagore nta mugore uri hano.
A freak!
Aragituka.
I'd rather be a freak than a whore!
Kiruta nabikina gazi kurusha uko nabindaya. Fungura hano. Wa mukobwa arimo no kureba nyuma y'ikiramuzenguruka cyamugezeho. Tururi. Cyamugezeho. Barangije bafungura hano hari ibikobwa bihari. Byo bashimusa. Tururi.
She was begging for you. I can smell the whore in that one.
Fungura ibikobwa biri hakuriro byose. Bamufashe. Amansi zo mutabaye arimo hariya. Kumva ibikobwa biri hano nabyo ni ibivampire baba bamaze guhindura. Barakurya nawe ugashiduka wabaye vampire. Katururi. Vampire bitangira kwegera umukobwa bimuriki. Vampire ireba umutsi wawe w'amaraso amaraso ukora ari gutembera mu mutsi. Iza kumurya. Iza kurya umukobwa. Yareba. Uno bigiye kumurya. Kora mu rwanga maze imwe yitonze. Kuramo akantu. Kumenya. Hey! Shaka urya umukobwa. Kure cya giti cya rimwe. Ku wundi. Utarangira iki kivayo. Buretse. Box. Sore nawe yabaye nkabyo. Kijomba. Vampire buriya buryo bwiza ngo bwo kuzica. Nangishaza ku migozi y'umukobwa. Mushyiramo ikigabo kazi. Kabara gaterura. Cyagiyeho kirahondagura buretse. Buretse. Kobwa baraniga. Kobwa baraniga. Box yindi. Hey! Buretse. Kikuva yaragitega mwakire tubakire. Cya kigabo kazi yarakijombye ku mutima. Yarakijombye. Fusha.
Look, I fucked up when they made me what I am. You should have made sure.
Sheri. Nabyo birakundana we n'amavampire arakundana.
Don't you fucking leave me.
Winsiga. Cyari kigeze myaka 70 nari kubona ngo kikiri gito. Bwira ngo ndi mwiza.
Beautiful baby girl.
Yego uri baby we, uri baby rwose uri icyuki. Urankunda. Nkimwe. Vampire imwe nako.
Go kill that motherfucker for me.
Genda umunyicire Sheri. Arakijombye kitagisaza. Ushinyura mwica. Sheri baramwishe. N'amavampire arakundana we. Nacyahita gitungura. Akuzuyaza. Yakurino. Kumbe kwinjiramo hakurino mu cyumba. Katururi. Kura mu ndorerwamo yabonye umwana. Rebye mu ndorerwamo abona umwana. Katururi. Kumbe ni kakana. Yasaza kwa mukobwa mutabaye. Kamweri yarabuze yirirwa gasenga ati mana zakabone. akana kumbe kari kakiri kazima yagakuyeyo. Nimba bari bakabikiye iki bari batarakarya, buriya bari bategereje ko amaraso aba menshi mu mubiri. Kakura nawe worora inkoko nyine ukabuyigaburira neza. Uyabonye gasaza ke wa mumansuro wa mumansuzi kuva mu gihugu cya Uganda. ubu murarinzwe.
What do you say?
He says thank you.
Baramushimiye. Urakoze. Urakoze. Arabatabaye. Yongeye yifatira ya moto ye. Suri yabaye vampire. Ariko none ni vampire basi byibara riri gukora neza. Ni guhagarika andi vampire kugira nabi. Ze hari hano. Abazi byinshi bera mu mujyi abibona.
Loss. That's the hardest part about being human.
Kira cyo kintu kibabaje cyane mu kuba umuntu.
Eventually in time, we learn how to let go.
Gusa nanone
But there's always hope, son.
iteka uri byiringiro wa mwana we.
Always hope.
Iteka ibyiringiro bihari.
It's in the darkness we're able to find ourselves.
Ndetse mu mwijima niho tubasha kwibona ubwacu.
Can't save them all.
Ndashaka gutabara benshi barenzeho.
A lot of people are gonna die.
Abantu benshi bazapfa.
But I'm gonna try.
Byibura ndagerageza gutabara. Nubwo ari benshi bazapfa ariko byibura reka ngerageze ntabarimo abashoboka. Musore yaciyeho.
So it begins.
None reka bitangire.
So it begins.
Saza yaravuze ati none ubu ngubu nibwo bitangiye. Vuze ngo n'igice cya kabiri mushobora kuzakibona. Ati none ubu ngubu nibwo bitangiye. Mva amagambo.
Behold, for an angel fell like lightning from the heavens.
Mwijuru none hamanutse umumarayika w'umucyo.
God himself.
Uje gukora ibyo Imana ishaka.
Our Lord will send his vengeance, disguised by sin.
Ati na Satani ubwo ajya abasha kwiyoberanya akigira umuntu.
Fight fire with fire.
Ati ubwo Imana yohereje umumarayika ugiye kurwanya umuriro akoresheje umuriro. Mbega yohereje ivampire kugira ngo rirwanye amavampire. Uyu ni marayika w'Imana Imana yohereje garwanya amavampire.
Judgment. He is the end.
Ndetse uje niryo herezo. Hey! Yari ko Benashi. Igice cya kabiri ni cyiza muzakibona. Uko dusize bavuze ati ubu ngubu iri ngiri ni nk'itangiriro. Yari roke nk'ibisanzwe. Imana ibaho umugisha ndabakunda cyane. Ciao ciao. Naho mu kanya.
Iminsi nicara nkiga kashe ntigita nshaka gutuza nk'ababudisi iyo bamedita fone ndaza kuzimya hayi ndaza